In this video, I'm going to show you how to file Form 1099 MISC. To get started from your dashboard, we're going to click Start New Form, then choose Form 1099 MISC from the dropdown. Start by entering the payer from the address book. You can either add them if you don't have any in your address book, or select existing ones from your address book. Then you'll need to add your recipient. Again, you can add these if you don't have any in your account, or select them from the address book. Then you can add an account number if you need. We'll also auto-generate this if you don't add anything. Check either of these two boxes if they apply to you, and then move on to the actual information of the form, including rents, royalties, other income, any federal income tax withheld, fishing boat proceeds, Medicare and healthcare payments, and any other information that applies to you here. Fill all of that out, then you can move on to state information, starting with selecting your state from the dropdown. Then enter the state tax withheld. The state number will be automatically put in here, and state income will be calculated from whatever you entered up here. You can add another state, save this form as a draft to come back to it later, save and add another 1099 MISC, or save and continue to filing. On this page, you'll see all the forms that are ready to be filed in this account for this business. Right now, we just want to do the 1099 MISC, so we'll check that. On this page, you can also export this form as a PDF or CSV for review. You can view additional options such as editing, adding more 1099 MISCs, and deleting this form if you wish. Finally, you can share this form via our Bandit Connect client portal if you wish. For more information on that, check the video linked in the description, then continue to state filing. Since we selected South Carolina as our state, that information will show up here, along with any instructions for that state about what needs to be filed. So if there's any additional steps that you need to go through, they'll show up here. Then click Continue to Form Distribution, where you have 4 options. With Bandit Complete, TaxBandits will send recipient copies via secure online portal and send a physical copy via postal mail. We can also only send a copy via postal mail, or only provide secure online access if you wish. Finally, if you wish to take care of this entirely by yourself and assume responsibility for downloading, printing, and mailing copies to your recipients, you can do that via the print and mail option. For today, we'll let TaxBandits handle it with Bandit Complete and click Continue to Audit. Form will now be checked for common errors. If any errors are found, you can easily correct them. Since none were found, we'll move on to the form summary. Here you can edit and add forms, or schedule this filing for a date in the future, so it'll transmit automatically on that later date. If you leave this blank, it'll just automatically transmit, and we'll click Proceed to Checkout. Now you'll see an itemized list of all the services that you have selected and their prices, including the total. Click Complete Your Order. Acknowledge our credit card usage statement and click Continue. Then select or add a new credit card. Confirm that you have the authority to use this credit card and click Pay and Transmit. And that's it. Stay tuned for updates on the status of this form. You can also view it under your 1099 dashboard for this business under Submitted Forms, and you'll see the status here. Thank you for making TaxBandits the #1 e-file provider in the industry. If you have any further questions, you can contact our support team by phone number at 704-684-4751 or by email at support@taxbandits.com.